Monday breakfast. Fresh fruit smoothie with yogurt and granola. Eating a fresh fruit smoothie with yogurt and granola for breakfast can offer many nutritional and health benefits. Some of the advantages include balanced nutrition. This breakfast combines fresh fruit, which is rich in vitamins and minerals, with protein and healthy fats provided by yogurt and granola. Source of fiber. Fresh fruits and granola are a good source of fiber, which helps maintain a healthy intestinal tract and curb cravings for unhealthy foods throughout the day. Long-lasting energy. Yogurt and granola provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and steadily, thus keeping blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Immune system enhancement. Many fresh fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, such as vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. Low calorie. A fresh fruit smoothie with yogurt and granola is usually low in calories, making it a healthy option for those looking to control their weight. In summary, having a fresh fruit smoothie with yogurt and granola for breakfast can be a great way to start the day with balanced nutrition and provide energy and essential nutrients for the whole day. If you think this video may be useful for some people you know, feel free to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.